This is going to be problem 16 and 17. It's only going to be 16 though, because that's all we're going to get through in this time period. Or I mean 15, sorry, 15. So this is problem number 15. Alright, and so if you're at home watching this, pause it, because I'm about to put it on the board. We got to kind of digest this thing. It says in 1626, so I underlined 1626. Because it's a number and it might be worth something to me, right? The Dutch bought Manhattan Island, now part of New York City, for 24 bucks. They bought a whole city for 24 bucks. Wow, yeah, exactly. I was thinking the same thing. 24 bucks, woo! Now in 1600, 24 bucks, well, it wasn't no million. I mean, 24 bucks was still, I mean, it was a lot of money since I think you figure, I don't know, something very expensive would be like a nickel. I don't know. I think a gun would be like $2 or something like that back then. So, I mean, a gun now you spend about, $300-400 bucks. So just think of it like that, right? But 24 bucks for a whole city? That seems a little bit outrageous to me. But I don't know. Anyway, I digress. They got it for 24 bucks. Louisiana Purchase cost them, I think, $1 million. So for 24 bucks, they're saying, hey, what if we invested? What if we invested $24 at 3.5% interest? How much would that be worth in 2008? And so what we would do is use the formula. Now it's growing, right? So we're going to use the growth formula. Okay? So the difference between the growth formula and the decay formula is a minus and a plus. That's the only difference, right? So in the growth formula, we're going to plus 1. In the decay formula, we're going to minus 1 from the rate. Okay? So the way this is set up is A, which is your starting amount, okay, times the quantity of your rate plus 1, okay? Your rate is like 35%. Your rate it's growing at 35%. All right, sorry, 3.5%, right? Now, to change 3.5 to decimal, I used to teach GED, and so I used to teach them from D to P, because what comes first in the alphabet? D, right? So if I have P, I need to move it twice over to D, and then fill the cup with a 0. Does that make sense? What we're doing is dividing it by 100. But a lot of students are like, I don't remember. So move it 2 places that way. Now if it was a decimal, we want to make it a percent, then it's just the opposite. You go 2 places towards the P. Okay? Once you plug it into the formula, then that's 0.035 plus 1, right? Raised to the T. The T is the time. The time is 1626 to 2008. So when we find that out, it's 382 years. So then I plug in 382 years as the time. I do a little calculator work, right? I raise 1.035 to 382, right? And then I multiply it by 24, okay? And what I get is, and you should be able to do this in your calculator, in your phone, whatever, you should be able to get $12,229,955.10. All right.